Hey guys, LPS Ice Diamond here, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm outside. You're like, why are you outside? Well, it's about to start a hurricane, and it's already here. I mean, like, it's in Savannah. Literally. I don't know what to do. Like, I watched on TV that it was in Savannah, but it was, like, so weird. I was like, when I came home, I was like, oh my god, I got like 3 days off school finally, and like, no, it wasn't that exciting. The power came off in my house, so now I'm outside, and it's cold outside, so it was really hot. And huh? 1 minute, guys. Sorry about that, guys. My mom told me that the power's back on again. I'm so excited. And yes, there's a hurricane still coming. And it's windy. Look at all the grass. Woo! Phew, I'm back, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna have to end this video here. Bye! Watch my new episodes.